So here, this is my Twitter account. So when you log in, we can tweet your Twitter post. Yes or no? So just I'm putting for logout. I'm not logging by my Twitter account. Can I post my tweet? We can't post. Simple. Just write on the URL twitter.com/intent/tweet. Just click for enter. First, you can create by your Twitter post. Simple writing for digital marketing. Training video tutorial. Copy, paste, login and tweet. I'm not logging, just account. Just your tweet has been posted even on your Twitter. So before login also, you can create the tweet post on your Twitter account. Automatically, what is getting for? The link will be getting for your Twitter profile. When link will be not promoting on your Twitter, you can promote it. That URL is called, please note down, twitter.com/intent/Twitter. This one URL, twitter.com/intent/tweet. In this option call is your link will be enabled. Your link will be enabled. I can see here hash digital marketing services hash Madhapur. Okay, this is fine. I can open my site, paste it, copy, tweet, in the tweet. See here. They're showing on your URL. And click here, event where on your website. So this is called with a login, and post on your Twitter account. That is called Twitter instant tweet. Instant tweet. The URL all must should important from the Twitter posting purpose. That is called view the link and view the trending purpose.